Ministry staff, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Vinaka. I'm indeed honored to be with you this morning, to be part of this great achievement as you all complete Module 3 of the Forest Harvesting Supervisor training. I thank you all the train for have participated. Thank you for the commitment to build our knowledge and skillful forestry sector. I congratulate all of you for your dedication and active management and engagement that have ensured the successful conclusions of 1 week training program. I also acknowledge the Forestry Northern Division head by Director North in partnership with our training division from Suva, headed by the Director FPTT, for the invitation to officiate this closing of this week-long training. As you are about to receive your certificate this morning, I take this opportunity to remind us all about this vital contribution forests contribute to our everyday living, underscores the urgent needs for us to better conserve and sustainably manage these important resources of our current and future generation. This is especially important given the threat of climate change and other external factors we currently face. Despite the vital role that the forests and trees plays in well-being of our communities and the general ecosystem, forest degradations, conservations and for forest land into other land use are continuing. Increasing population and the urgent need to satisfy short-term economic development need has meant more pressure on forests to make way for large-scale agriculture projects, mining, housing, and other infrastructural development. In addition, harvesting timber over and above the forest, sustainable level of harvest is a result in degradations of reductions of biological diversity such that the quality of range of ecosystem service and products provide are negatively impacted. Forest and rural fires as a result of careless burning are becoming a significant threat to our forest and the environment given the long dry spell being experienced with the changing of climate conditions. While development are necessary in responding to our people's needs, and aspirations, active planning and implementations are vital to maintain the proper balancing of economic, social and environment consideration. These ensure objectives in making decisions relating type, size and location of this development project. There is also the need to put in place adequate measures to ensure that any forest harvesting is within the forest sustainable cut level and full compliance with the existing codes of practice and environmental requirements. As a forester harvesting supervisor, you will play a very critical role in ensuring the best logging practice. I observed at all times in line with the Fiji Forest Harvesting Code of Practice and forest legislation. We need to be working in partnership and in an integrated manner, which is the most effective strategy towards making a real and positive change on the ground for our people. This is especially critical when we consider the inadequate capacities of most of our government institutions to tackle issues by themselves. Partnership, enhancing capacities through training, education and wellness and awareness of all stakeholders will be very important in this regard. Training and education has the central role in the sustainable management, conservation and sustainable development of our forest. The industry needs to invest more in forest training and education for their people. By investing in forest training and education at all levels, we will ensure that there are scientists, policymakers, foresters and local communities working together to address the issues of deforestation and to restore our degraded landscape. In view of the above, I must congratulate you all once again for taking this first step to train and educate yourself. Please share the knowledge gained with your co-workers and grab the opportunity for further training and education in forestry. With these words, I thank you once again for the invitation to be part of this event, and I wish all the trainees the exciting and successful career in the forest sector. I therefore declare this week-long training closed. Vanualevu.